bunch of cunts. I'm about the fucking truck. What's up with your face? I'm in the back of the fucking truck here, and I'm having a wee dram. And my fucking dram, where are I? It's not Scottish whiskey. Oh fuck! It's not Scottish whiskey. It's this ain't a bad dram. It's 46%. It's an Irish whiskey. God fuck it, tell. I'm on such a high at the moment, and I'm fucked. Alright? I've been on a 2-week fucking roller coaster, mate. Fucking hell, stay a minute. God, my fucking head's banging. Oh, my fucking head. So ain't a bad dram, actually. Irish whiskey, 46%, you know what I mean? Fucking bagging. You're getting it. You're getting it. You think you're going to get it, but you ain't going to get it. Oh, mate, I've been on a right fucking roller coaster fucking these last 2 weeks, mate. Fucking hell. Oh, but good. Fucking good. There's only one person to thank for that. I'm not going to mention no names. Oh, I went to the fucking doctor a couple of weeks back, and I've got this. Oh, I can't pronounce the fucking thing. It's where you get achy from your shoulder, from your neck, goes through your shoulders, down your arms, and I tell you what, it flares up now and again. And like now, it's fucking killing me. And I keep getting this fucking. It's a wee lump. I'm not a condiactory, yeah. What I do, I save all up me. I'll save all me fucking symptoms up, yeah, and I'll just do a job lot. You know, a fucking job lot. Right? So go there. Fear the bearded cunts. I can't believe I bumped in. Well, he bumped into me when I was with Emily down at Glastonbury, and Al Fox, I think is what his call sign was, and he was the cunt that got cannon about the fucking dog in the cunt. And there you go, Les, drinking from a fucking proper glass, wanker. Oh God, fucking do I ache? I got motherfuckers. I'm in the fucking truck. Look. Let's fucking put that down there. Yeah, look. Like my fucking coaster. Guns. A wee dram. For you English cunts, it means small. 3 bars. Only the Scottish people understand that. 3 bars. So, I'd like to thank all you cunts for fucking watching and the comments, and just hope I've cheered you fucking cunts up, yeah. Jack me off, he's a legend. He was fucking there from the beginning. He watched my back from the beginning, that cunt did. But hey, for me, it's not about the fucking likes and the fucking shares and the monetize. I don't do any of that, right? I just if I can help one of you cunts with a smile, all right, my job is done. But like, you know, I mean, I'm not here to be fucking liked. God, it's fucking bright, that. I'm not here to be fucking liked, yeah. I'm not just saying that. I'm special. I'm a special person, basically. You know what I mean? And I wish you all happiness, right? And you know, because Fuck off with your fucking horn at this fucking time of night, you cunt. Um, so I'd like to thank you all for subscribing and just being part of the fucking gang, mate. I mean, I don't get nothing from this channel like people do. I keeps it fucking real. I'm just me, you know. And if I can bring a smile to one person's face, my job is done. That's all that matters to me. All right. I know I'm a bit of a fucking comedian. Hang on. Just have a weird dram, hang on. You know what I mean? But I went to see old Marshall today. He's a ledge. Well, in my eyes, he is. Out.